So that white residue coming off of where I've been sanding means I'm cutting clear coat. Now if you get into the color, it will come off as, let's say, blue or whatever car you painted. But if you're getting white, that means you're in there clear coat, so that's a good thing. Gonna polish this turd up the best I can. Wet sand it one more time. I've done it 3 times. We're gonna wet sand it one more time. I'm gonna hit it hard with a aggressive compound, polish it out, put it on the scoop. This Saturday or Sunday, we'll mount it on the car, adjust the fenders to fit it, and things of that nature. The goal is to get plates on it, get headlights in it, get plates on it, get it insured, put some miles on it. Then the whole car's gonna have to be repainted. The paint job's just not good enough. And I want to show you real quick where we stand. I have hit this 3 times with 1500 grit. The darker spots are low spots. The dull spots are where the 1500 is worked. I'm going to go over it one more time. I took a shot here in this area working with a cheap Chinese buffer that I bought from Harbor Freight. It was a waste of money, and I took it back. Casey was kind enough to bring down the other buffer, so today I'll have the proper equipment. So after I wet sand it one more time, I'm going to cut the hell out of it, polish the hell out of it, and mount the hood scoop right there. And then when Casey comes over Sunday, we're going to look at putting it on, adjusting the fenders, moving on to the headlights. So we're getting there. It's just didn't turn out as well as I hoped or I thought. Working with the metal flake for the first time, new experience, lesson learned, we'll move on. I got Kai helping me today. All right, put a little polish on this puppy. Changing pads to a polished pad instead of a cutting pad. These are wool. I like the wool better than I do the foam. Dual action, because I've already cut this pretty good, so I'm going to just hit it one time lightly with this and then come back with the polish. Always make sure you're coming off the surface, never onto it. You always want to be going off of it. As you can see, we got the hood on. Turned out okay. Still got to come back and wet sand the fenders, the cowl, And I'm going to rebuff this whole thing. I got squirrel marks in it and all sorts of good stuff. There's touch-ups, tons of touch-ups. Well, right there is a great view. It shows you from the difference between buffing. Notice the reflection compared to not being buffed and wet sanded. So that gives you a clue. So both the fender, the cowl, on both sides needs yet to be wet sanded and buffed, but not a bad look. It's a 70 Mach 1 hood scoop, the fiberglass reproduction from National Parts Depot. I'll put the link below. But it fits okay. It's not perfect. It fits okay. We still got to do the final fitting, but it's good. The hood pins. I'll show you more on those later. And they work. They work very well. So I'm happy. It fits pretty good. Actually, Casey and I are surprised how well the lines for a 1967 car, not too shabby. So we're getting there. Headlights are in process right now. Here, let me show you. I'm going to open up the hood, look underneath. It looks good from both angles, from the top and the bottom. But not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. In the next episode, I'll show you how we did the hood pins and how we tied it into the body, and we're going to go into the headlights. That will be a separate episode in itself, putting on the fancy eye poppers, shall we say. So anyway, but that was it for the hood. Turned out well. Happy with it. It's going to be repainted, but it's a good start. So here we go.